Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7D Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we will need to turn off our device. Now let me quickly figure out how we turn that off. Not like that. I assume it's not just a power button because it can't be this simple. Or it is. So hold the power button until this pops up. Ignore the voice assistant that shows up or tries to show up. And from here, you're just gonna select power off. Once the device turns off, hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. After a moment of holding power button volume up, you will see the HUAWEI logo. You can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up till you see a recovery mode, like this one. Now in here we have a couple options. We have things like reset, takes us back to the Harmony OS, clear data, which consists of a wipe cache partition and factory reset, update mode, and also safe mode. So anyway, I'm gonna select restart, and like I mentioned, this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.